Hello, my friend, and welcome to another video. In this video, we will be covering my trading or Telegram trading signals weekly report. So I'll try and keep these weekly videos going for as long as possible so that you can follow along and track along with the account growth and overall how the Telegram signals are doing. Now, if this is the first time that you're seeing my face, like I said, my name is Errol Mueller. I'm the owner and founder of this business, empoweredbyjess.com. And in actual fact, I'm involved in forex trading signals. Now, I've been involved in the forex trading markets since the year 2015. So that gives you about 10 years with the forex trading experience. So I kind of know what it is that I'm talking about. I don't know everything, but I do know a lot, okay, when it comes to forex trading. And please, if you don't mind, give this video a like. Just give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed, you're more than welcome to, should you want to. And then if there's any specific thing that you want to ask me, whether it be around trading signals, forex trading signals, gold trading signals, or just anything in specific that you would like for me to do a review on, then just drop me a comment. Now, I don't want to keep this video for too long. In this video, I'm going to, like I said, talk about the Telegram trading signals that I'm a part of. And in actual fact, let's get right into it. But before we do, quickly take some time, pause this video, watch that disclaimer or read this disclaimer on your screen right now, and let's continue along. Now, I'm no financial advisor, no financial specialist or any licensed investment specialist of the sort. I'm not licensed. I'm just sharing my personal opinion, my reviews, everything with you based on my experience. Now, if you want to get access to this page right here, the Forex page, you're more than welcome to click the first link in the description below this video. And then you can click on this link here where it says recommended trading signals, because I'm going to go into my personal results for this first week of the month of February, the year 2025. So the first week of Feb, the year 2025. In actual fact, if you look at the bottom right here, you will see that we are on the 9th of Feb. The week only started on Saturday, the 1st. In actual fact, the markets are closed on the 1st or over weekends. The markets only open on Mondays and then it trades till Friday, which is Monday to Friday. Those are your trading days. So for the first week of Feb, which was the 3rd of March, the 3rd of February until the 7th of February. These are my results. Now, first link in the description, bring you over to this page. You can click on this section right here that says learn more. Once you click there, you're more than welcome to check out these 3 simple, very easy steps should you decide to get started with these trading signals. And then there's a bonus step on how to connect and set it all up so that these signals trade automatically for you, my friend, like a forex robot. Call it a forex robot. You see me doing this. You don't have to sit there and monitor and watch the charts the whole day. You can set it all up in such a way that it runs on autopilot. Now, my recommendation is always watch the charts. It's all based on your own opinion as well. If you do have some forex trading experience, you can manipulate the trades the way you want to or change the trades the way you want to. If you've got no forex trading experience, my friend, this is perfect for you. In actual fact, you don't have to do anything. You set it all up and you just let it run. And then once the signals come through, it will automatically place the trades on your broker platform and you can just sit back, see the winning trades, see the losing trades, which are very seldom that they happen, but they are losing trades. It's a reality. If you only see winners, there's a problem. There are some losing trades. Okay. Now scrolling down to the bottom here with at the bottom results, you can come back to this page at any point in time and track my account growth live. Let's go to my FX book account. It's a verified live my FX book account. In actual fact, you can see there real USD. My broker is FX Pro, which you can get access to when you watch the second step of this video. And just as a note, like I said, this is no financial advice. I'm not an investment specialist or financial advisor, but out of my experience, I would say I'm actually depositing some more funds instead of having $1,100. I want to get as quickly as possible to $10,000. But in this case, I'm going to deposit at least another $1,300 roughly, give or take, because you have to pay for the forex signals, and at the same time, you also have to make money in order to grow the account. Now, what I've found out of my experience is $2,000 as a deposit is kind of the sweet spot. Now, $1,000, yes, depending on the month's account growth. but otherwise $2,000 is more than enough. It's the sweet spot so that you can pay for the signals as well as grow your account. Now, as you can see, like I said, this is a real account. I've made real fund deposits. The deposits are sitting at $1,100. As you can see, these small little deposits are actually rebates from my broker, my forex broker, that I'm getting back from my broker. Just depends on how many trades are taking place. Now, it's the account that I'm on now. Hence the reason for saying anywhere from a $2,000 deposit account is like the sweet spot. If you can anything over $1,000, once again, only invest money that you're willing or can afford to lose. Now, once you do that, because with FX Pro, you get certain perks, my friend, when you deposit more than $1,000. You get rebates. There's a lot of things. You get zero to none spread on certain Forex pairs. So there is quite a fair amount of bonuses and things that you get by depositing more funds. Now, forget about these small little cents deposits. The main deposit was $1,097.15. And general, you can see I've got a 1 to 200 leverage account. My broker is FX Pro, like I said, which you will get access to when you go through those 3 steps. And then scrolling down, you will see, in actual fact, I can show you the duration of trades as well. As you can see, duration, the majority of trades, my friend, closes within 8 hours. We've got a few trades that stayed open for longer than a day, and then we've had a nice winning trade that stayed open for 2 days and 14 hours. So very good. I like this duration of the signals. It's phenomenal. It's mostly a scalping strategy, but here and there are other trades involved as well. Now, I have to mention this to you as well. From time to time, because I used to trade forex trading myself, I used to do forex trading myself manually. Every now and then, when I see a good opportunity coming up, I will place that trade manually. In actual fact, I opened up the trade and that trade in my previous video, or not my previous one, I'll link it on the top right hand side here. I think it was I created a short. In actual fact, you're more than welcome to follow along on my YouTube shorts, where I do like a 30-day trading challenge based on these trading signals. And I do it day by day, and I share with you what we're winning trades, what we're losing trades. This is the account balance. This is what happened within the markets today. Now, there's one trade that specifically ended in a loss, my own personal trade that I've taken. So this actually skewed these figures a little because I wanted to place that trade. It was a very, very good opportunity. Unfortunately, it's the way it is. The markets don't always end up being perfect so that you win the trade. You win some, you lose some, is what it is. But if I won that trade, my friend, this account balance would have been easily up to about 5%. So for the month of Feb. Currently, as we are sitting, the month of January, I ended on a 2.5% account growth. Keeping in mind, I joined the signals in the very last week of January 2025. And just for that week, I managed to gain a 2.5. In actual fact, it wasn't even a full week. I managed to gain about a 2.5% account growth. Now, overall, the group on this video at the top right hand side that I'm sharing with you, that notification popping up right now. In actual fact, that video I shared with you that the group actually did a 19, I think it was a 19.44% account growth for that month of January. That's phenomenal. It's almost a 20% account growth. And then I did about 2.5%. So far for the month of February, the first week in February 2025, my account is already up another 2.99%, which gives me a just over 5% account growth since I started. So I'm very happy with that. I'm actually I'm ecstatic. I'm grateful for it. So let's see how it plays out, my friend. I'm open and honest with you. I share with you the results here. You can see my trades, the winning trades, losing trades. Here's the curve. You can see everything. I'm not hiding anything from you. And once again, like I said, the first link in the description below this video will bring you over to this page right here, the Forex page. Click the number 1 recommended trading signals, learn more. Watch step 1. Step 2 is very important because it's all about broker setup. Now, I know within this video, I talk about $1,000 deposit at the time of me shooting this video. But out of experience and what I've learned, and especially with these trading signals and the monthly subscriptions on the trading signal side, I would recommend going for about a $2,000 plus deposit if you can. Only trade what you are willing to, or what you can afford to lose. Once again, this is no financial advice, any advice of sort. I'm just talking out of my experience and what I've seen. My friend, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Once again, give this video a like. I'd really appreciate that. And drop me a comment if there's any questions that you have. In actual fact, on this specific page, all the way at the bottom, You can ask me any questions that you might have. Introduce yourself, ask me questions, or if you just want to leave a comment to the community, more than welcome to do that as well. And I also wanted to share this with you that this specific page, my friend, has got 85 shares already and it's growing. So, should you want to, more than welcome to share it with friends and family. You can share this video with friends and family who might be interested in looking at forex trading as a whole. Otherwise, this specific page in itself alone has already been shared 13 times, my friend. So, yeah, it's not that I'm not sharing this with you to brag. I'm sharing this with you to show that I'm sharing things with you that can literally change your life, change your financial situations if you allow it to. And if you work it, once again, there's no guarantees. I cannot guarantee your success or any financial success for that matter. I can literally just talk based out of my own experience. So thank you. May you be blessed financially watching this video. In actual fact, may you be blessed with everything that is good and wonderful. Thank you for your time. Stay tuned. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.